Hi, my name is Alexi, and I'm the Director of Training here at Opto 22. In this short video, I'll introduce you to the popular SnapPAC system. The SnapPAC system is a complete set of hardware and software from Opto 22 designed to tackle your industrial control, remote monitoring, and data acquisition applications. The SnapPAC system consists of 4 integrated components: software, controllers, brains, and I/O. Put these 4 things together and you can control or monitor just about anything. Let's start at the top with software. PAC Project is our software suite designed specifically for our SnapPAC system hardware. This means you know the software and hardware will work together and you have only one vendor to call if you have a question. The centerpiece of PAC Project is PAC Control. It's an easy-to-use, flowchart-based control programming language. We made it even easier by basing the software on a single tag name database and using a plain English command set. That way, commands are understandable and I/O points and program variables have meaningful names. You can develop your application using simple, intuitive flowchart objects like action blocks, condition blocks, and connection lines that determine logic flow. You can also use OptoScript, a procedural type language similar to Visual Basic. Once tag names are defined in PAC Control, they are instantly available in PAC Display, our HMI software. That means you'll never need to retype tag names or refer to cross-reference tables. PAC Display is loaded with features, including real-time and historic trending, data logging, security, alarming, and recipes. You can create your own screens using the included library of 3,000 industrial automation graphics or import your own graphical files. Best of all, there are no tag limits or hardware keys. PAC Project also has an optional OPC server and database connectivity software. These programs make it easy to share your SnapPAC system data with other HMI applications like Wonderware and Involution, and with databases such as SQL Server and Microsoft Access. Now let's move on to the second part of the SnapPAC system, the controllers. PACs, or Programmable Automation Controllers, run your control program, communicate with your I/O, and provide data to your HMI. We offer 2 types of SnapPAC controllers, standalone S-Series and rack-mounted R-Series PACs. Standalone controllers are best for large, distributed systems with many points of remote I/O. Rack-mounted controllers are ideal for smaller systems with smaller point counts, like cell control. It's important to understand that PACs are much more than a traditional PLC. Like PLCs, they can handle everyday control and automation tasks involving digital and analog I/O. But PACs go further by including sophisticated PID loop control, serial data and string handling, table arrays, full floating point math, and they're capable of storing large amounts of data. Plus, PACs include built-in Ethernet networking and serial ports for use with modems. Because all of this functionality, PACs are ideal for process control, sequential logic, barcode and RFID applications, SCADA, motion, and much more. The third part of the SnapPAC system is brains. We call our I/O processors brains because they provide a lot of distributed local intelligence and control. SnapPAC brains are available with Ethernet networking or RS-485 serial networking. There are 2 Ethernet-based brains, the SnapPAC EB1 and the SnapPAC EB2. The EB1 supports high-speed digital functions, while the EB2 does not. But both handle analog, digital, and serial I/O. Both support input latching, thermocouple linearization, Watchdog timeouts, analog clamping and scaling, PID control, and much more. All of these functions are performed at the brain level, freeing up your main PAC controller for other tasks. That's what makes the SnapPAC system unique. The distribution of control functions among the PAC controller and the I/O processors, or brains, provide much more power, capability, and versatility than any PLC system available today. And when it comes to networking your I/O, you'll love the fact that the Ethernet-based brains have a built-in Ethernet switch. That means you can multi-drop I/O units without the need for additional Ethernet switches. Or if you prefer serial networking for your remote I/O, use our SB series brains, which work on an RS-485 multi-drop network. One note, if you choose the SnapPAC R-Series controller for your application, it includes both a controller and a brain in one compact package. If your system grows, the R-Series PACs support EB series brains for additional remote I/O. The fourth part of the SnapPAC system is I/O modules, or input-output modules. They connect your various field devices, such as circuits, sensors, actuators, and transmitters. But Opto22 modules provide more than just a connection. They provide optical and transformer isolation to protect your control electronics and reduce noise. Because Opto22 has nearly 100 different SnapIO modules, we can handle just about any type of signal in your application. You choose the ones you need based on the sensors and devices you're controlling or monitoring. And because many are software configurable, a small number of modules can handle a wide range of tasks. Snap modules are available in a variety of configurations, ranging from 1 to 32 channels per module. That way, you have the right amount and the right type of I/O for your application without having to buy more than you need. Finally, we created the SnapText line to simplify wiring and installation of your SnapPAC system. SnapText cables snap neatly into the tops of the SnapIO modules and terminate with pre-stripped, color-coded flying leads for connections to field devices, terminal strips, or breakout boards. Our SnapText breakout boards come in 4, 16, or 32 channel configurations and offer features like power busing, fusing with fuse-blown indicators, or mechanical relays. Opto22 knows that reliability is important to you. That's why all of our products are built in our manufacturing plant here in Temecula, California, and we test each module at least twice before it is put on the shelf. Then we back all that up with a lifetime guarantee on all optically isolated models. So there you have it, the 4 parts of an Opto22 SnapPAC system: software, controllers, brains, and I/O. Together, these 4 simple components form a system capable of handling virtually any automation task, from basic equipment monitoring to complete factory automation. And don't forget, Opto22 is always here to help you. We offer free hands-on training, free product support from experienced engineers, and free documentation on all the SnapPAC system components. If you have any questions on how to get started with SnapPACs, please call or email our friendly pre-sales engineering team. They'll be happy to help you build a system for your needs. Thanks for watching our SnapPAC systems video. See you next time.